Hi, hello everyone. Good morning. Myself Imran, Silver Oaks International School, Hyderabad, my work campus. Today I am here to talk about PSPE, personal well-being. And what is personal well-being? Personal well-being in the sense how you balance your health and physical appearance. That we call it as a mental health and physical health. Mental health in the sense it's not like how you don't have any diseases, you are very healthy. That's not comes under mental health. Mental health in the sense how you think, how you feel, how you behave, how you mingle in society, what is the image in your society. This all comes under mental health. Physical health, as you know, whatever you're doing, whatever the movements you are doing, whatever the exercises you are doing, this all comes under physical health. Physical health and mental health both should be well balanced. Then only will called as a you are well balanced person and you are be very happy in your life. If you are not able to do the physical activities, that is reflect to the mental health. You that means see nowadays we are in a situation of pandemic. People are not doing anything at your homes. They are not going for major doing major activities, major exercises. Then they are feeling very stressed by sitting at home doing the work same works repeatedly from morning to evening and going for classes of virtual classes which is affecting on your eyes and affecting on your brain. It may cause something little bit stress. To come out of the stress, what you do it, what you are going to do, again you'll sit and playing on mobiles? No, again it will affect one more way. So better that time physical activities like exercise help you to come out of the stress. See, physical activities are major activities to bring you out of this mental chronicle diseases. Chronicle diseases is how you behave, how you think, how you feel, and whatever stress you are getting. This all comes under chronicle diseases. If you are not doing the exercise, how it causes. If you're sitting at home, you are eating something and sitting again on your work and going to the classrooms and coming back and laying on the bed. These all are routine to you nowadays. If you are not doing any physical activities, what will happen? First thing is your weight will be increased. That's will called as a BMI. Once you come out of BMI, it affect on your health problems, that is lifelong diseases like obesity. Once you and fall in obesity, it is very difficult to come out from that. You need to do lot of work. So if you are not doing exercise, it may cause of weight gaining. And it we should, and coming to the health conditions like diseases, whatever the diseases is coming, it affect on, it will be affected. If you are not doing exercise, you are not going out, it improves your stress and your mood. What your mood also will be like a disturbing mind. It is called as ODD, obsessive defensive disorder. That sometimes you will react like anything. You will be become a hyper. You will become a hyper in talking to the others or whatever. If you give some work also, you will be more hesitated. That's improves. So that effect will be on your moods. It promote it sometimes. If you're not doing exercise, if we by habituated with the all this routine works, you'll go on to the bed by 8 o'clock, but you can't be sleep. You'll not go into the deep sleep because you'll feel sleeping disorders. You will get the sleeping disorders by not doing this. That's we call as insomnia. If you once you started insomnia, it will affect on your metabolism. Once metabolism is stopped, see everything will be fallen by health problems. So if not doing exercise, you will be falling off insomnia problems. And it improves. your structures, like what you say, your personal appearance will be, your personal appearance may be damaged. Like what is the posture, your body posture you have, whatever the body posture you have, it may turn into your obesity, and you can't be see the same in the how you are before. That means your posture will be damaged. It's not looks good in, well, you going interacting with the society, you are going comparing with someone. That's all the effects will be happen if you are not doing the exercises. Then what are the importance of doing the exercises? Importance of exercise: if you really want to feel better, you want to have more energy, even though in most you want to live more life. I'm talking about years or nowadays 55 life, we'll call it as a lifespan will be increased while doing the exercises. So if you want to increase your lifespan, do exercise regularly, morning and evening, without fail. Last week in December 17 to 24, we conducted a Fitness India program for you all from the school Silorok side, because Prime Minister Modi also announced that fit ka, fitness ka dose आधा घंटा और. Whatever you are doing now, you need to improve one more 30 minutes so that it affect you on your good health. Exercise is not only for health, it's effect on your brain power. See, when you are studying something, whatever the topic it may be, 30 minutes, you need to finish it in 30 minutes, but it's taking prolonged time. It's gone for 1 hour, it's gone for 1.5 hour, but you are not able to inbuilt it. You are not able to concentrate on your studies. Then the best thing is to go out, close the books wherever you are, and go out of it. Play something, play or do exercise in the sense, not like head rotations, hand rotations, jumpings, no, it's also exercise, but not only this exercise in the sense, it may be a cause of cycling, it may be a cause of swimming, dance, yoga, it may be, whatever the movements you are doing, whichever you like it. See, I like more swimming, so I will go for swimming. I like skating, I will go for skating. Somebody likes cycling, they'll take the cycle and go for around in her house, or in the neighborhood, they will do cyclings. So whatever you're doing, whatever the interested things you are doing as a exercise, it improves your brain power. And when you come back and open the book, whatever you plan to finish, it will be finished. Whatever you plan for 30 seconds to finish, it may be within the lesser time you will be finished. That means your focusing power will be increased, your brain power will be increased while doing whatever the exercise which you like it. Not only that, exercise help you learn how to work through discomfort. When you are feeling discomfort to do this work, exercise help you to do how to come out of this. And exercise improves energy levels. Whatever the energy you have, that energy levels will be increased. Exercise can help you find your optional work life and balance, right? As I told you before, exercise can help your moods, emotions. Like when you're sitting in one place in your for longer days, your hyperaction activities will be increased. The response of your is different to each and every individual. So when you doing your interesting things as a exercises, your emotions will be totally increased. Emotions like happy, sad, whatever, that moods will be increased. See, if for example I am playing or you are playing a football along with your friends, see that you are taking a goal, kick shot, you are to kick the ball into the goal post and it's become a goal. Referee decided it as a fair goal. Then what is the confidence level you increased? All your teammates will come and give you a good hike to you that you are done this. Then what is the motivation levels? Your motivation levels, your confident levels, it improves like anything that will affect on your studies too. Then after completion of match, you see every match there is a winner and loser. Definitely when you're playing a match, you need to decide the who is the winner, who is the loser. By your team, by with your effort, you got winners. Then what is your reactions? Whatever it may be, you need to be well balanced in your emotions, and you need to encourage the losers too. See, that's why after the match, in every match, whatever the match you take, cricket, football, basketball, whatever it may be, after the game, all the teammates will second themselves, and then they will second to the opponents to encourage their participations. That is the spirit of games. That's why we'll call as a fit in mind is a fit in body. When you do the exercise every day, your mind will automatically connect with your good health. That's what we want to tell about the PSP and how to balance yourself. Thank you, everyone. Once again, myself, Imran, Silver Oaks International School, Hyderabad, my 2 campus. Thank you.